Algor mortis is a Latin term meaning cold death, referring to the cooling of the body after death. It is a significant process in forensic science used to estimate the post-mortem interval or PMI, or the body time lapse after death. The body cools at a rate approximately 1.5 degree Fahrenheit per hour until it reaches the ambient temperature of its surroundings. Factors such as ambient temperature, clothing, and body fat can influence this cooling rate, affecting the accuracy of PMI estimates. The Glacier equation is commonly used to calculate the PMI based on the body temperature changes. So, in a short explanation in Tagalog, so yung Algor mortis, ito po yung paglamig ng katawan ng patay after itong mamatay. So, yun po yung Algor mortis.